Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's first of all switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see we've got three more options. So 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, that's how we know that, the 4K and 720p. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option and it will be immediately applied. It is also highlighted, which means that your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Of course, if you want to, you can also change the frames per second, it's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.